Hello friends, welcome to Shannon Cuisine. Today we are going to make Navratri special Sabudana khichdi. So let's check what the ingredients are. The ingredients are half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon sanda namak or rock salt, curry leaves, coriander leaves, green chilies, peanuts, one potato, two tomatoes, pomegranates, and sabudana. Here I have soaked the sabudana for 3 to 4 hours and then rinsed it properly. First of all, we will roast our peanuts without oil. Now our peanuts have been roasted and we will transfer it to a plate so that these can be cooled. Now we'll keep it aside. Now take 2 tablespoons olive oil. And heat it. Now our oil is heated and we will add jeera, curry leaves, green chilies, and roast it for some time. Now our green chilies have turned brown, so we will add our potato. Now we will cover it with the lid. Now our potato has been softened and we will add our tomato. Salt. Red chili powder. Mix it well. And again cover it with the lid. Now our tomatoes are merged with potatoes, so we will add our sabudana. Add coarsely grinded peanuts and mix it well. Now I will garnish it with peanuts, coriander, and pomegranates. And mix it well. Now it is ready and transfer it into a plate. Now our Sabudana khichdi is ready. It is looking very yummy. Everyone must try this recipe. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe my recipe.